Welcome back to the channel. Rourke and I thought we'd just sit down and have a quick recap on a fantastic year here at O'Rourke Coachtrimmers. We've had a great array of projects. Some of them, they were completed last year, but they were publicly unveiled this year, and we're going to touch on a couple of those as we chat through our year in trim. So we're going to start with our highlight cars from this year. We're each going to pick a couple, and my personal top highlight was the Auto Union Type 52 that we completed for Crossway and Gardner in conjunction with Audi. Although that car was completed last year, it was publicly unveiled in June at the Festival of Speed at Goodwood, and that really was a proper highlight project for us, not only in this year but in our careers. Rob?
I wanted that to be my highlight car. That's unfair. The Auto Union is a career highlight car and thoroughly enjoyed being involved with that. It was fantastic. A highlight car, in the last year we've done two 288 GTOs, and I just adore doing those cars. They're wonderful to work on. We've had a few 275 4 cams go through our workshop this year, and again I just love doing those. Another car I'd do for free if AJ would allow me.
Not happening.
What else, Edge?
I think my other pick for the year, it's probably some of the new projects we've been doing with Thornley Kellam, the Resto mod cars.
Oh, they're wonderful.
So there's the Jaguar XK and the Porsche 911 that have been unveiled now. They were really interesting projects. So right from the design phase where we were working with Thornley Kellam and their team of designers to help them bring their renders and sketches to life, work out how we were going to fabricate and trim all of the various panels, giving some design input. That was really enjoyable for myself and the team to be involved with those, and it was great to see them unveiled after a few years' work to a lot of public accolade. And the 911 has received some really glowing reviews now that the sort of media have got hold of it and started to review the car. And then, yeah, Rob, what's your sort of final pick for the year?
I love the way I've seen a change in a lot more modern cars coming in, and also next year we've got possibly 3, a definite 2 cars that are being pulled off the production line and then being trimmed by us, and then they'll be reintroduced to the production line to be finished off. So that's quite a lovely thing to be doing. And we've had a lot of Porsches come through, modern stuff. We're doing a car which is a 456 Ferrari downstairs, still using a lot of modern techniques with water glues and stuff, water-based glues, and slightly different techniques in trimming. And I love the fact that we can do the old stuff and right to the modern. So we've got a fantastic team, and I love to pat them all on the back. They've worked so hard this year and been fantastic. But that 456 is a great fun car to be involved with.
Yeah, the 456 is good. If any of you listen to the Chris Harris podcast, you'll know the 456 we're talking about. That car, we're hoping to get that wrapped up early in the new year, and I'm sure you're going to hear more about it and see more about it in the coming weeks and months. So I think we've wrapped up our sort of highlight projects. There's many more, and they've all been great projects. The team have all worked really hard. We've done some great work, and it's been seen all over the world at various shows. Which is probably our next thing, maybe just to touch on some of the great shows we've been fortunate enough to attend this year. Starting with the Savile Row and London City Concours here in the UK. Rob and I then had the privilege of going out to California for the Monterey Car Week and attended a number of fantastic events out there. And then we came back and headed to some of the UK events.
Hampton Court, Blenheim Palace, Salon Privé.
Yeah.
And Goodwood is one of my highlights. Had a great time there. And if you've never been to Goodwood Revival, I highly recommend you go there. It's a fantastic event. And I'd like to wrap up 2024 wishing you all a very good Christmas and a happy new year. I'd like to thank our lovely loyal customers. They've been great. Our fantastic suppliers, my wonderful team downstairs. I couldn't look this professional from the outside without AJ's hand in it. And the wonderful man behind the camera, Tom Bajan, who makes us also look professional on our photographs. Wonderful. I've enjoyed receding and my gums receding, taking on all this extra work and running around like a blue-arsed. Keep it coming. I love you all. Thanks for enjoying our channel and giving us great comments.
We look forward to bringing you some more great content next year. And just to follow up on Rob, wish you all have a great Christmas and a happy new year, and we'll see you again soon.
Love you.